All right, guys, here we are, Nick, Massie, and Tasia Percevecz in the Paleo Test Kitchen at Ice Age Meals. Up next is the Massie Breakfast. Tasia and I are here helping you eat better and
live longer.
All right, Tasia, well, welcome.
Thanks for having me.
We know that how would you rank yourself on the scale of culinary professionals? Are you like,
is it from 1 to 10?
Yeah.
I would say low, maybe like a 3.
Okay.
So I've got that going. So I'm just gonna follow your lead.
Novice, you're kind of novice. Yeah, go
Novice.
ahead and turn that thing all the way to the left and it will spark and start a fire hopefully under there. If you push harder down. There you go, she's on. So we're gonna get the pans heating up. That's the first step. The real limiter, you guys, this is gonna be the Massie Breakfast. Super fast, super tasty, super healthy, all the good stuff. But the limiter will be the bacon, how long it takes to cook the bacon. So the sooner we can get these pans heating up, the better off we are. We don't have a lot of chopping today, so this is a good way to start. I mean, I guess I could kind of guide you through cutting a pineapple. Would you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then our berries are prepped. We're gonna go with avocado. We've got our organic eggs. And we're just gonna put together a really colorful, flavorful, solid start to your day. What do you think of that?
I can't wait.
Okay, over here, how do you put your hand over the pan? Can you feel heat starting to come through?
Yeah.
Can you tap the pan a little bit?
Should I?
Try it,
Okay.
yeah, quick. Is it getting hot?
Yeah, it's getting there.
So then just grab your bacon plate and then put the bacon in the pan.
How many pieces are we doing?
We're gonna do all of it. This is
all of it?
Yeah, 1 pound of bacon. We'll use some for the meal that we're making now, and then as you know, we have a couple other meals planned that have bacon in them, right? So we're not gonna eat the whole pound of bacon in the morning.
As much as I'd like to.
We can use this plate to put paper towel, so it'll absorb a lot of fat. We'll be using this for both the bacon and the eggs to try to get some of the fat out. Let me check. You see how mine is louder?
Yeah, mine's fine then.
It is fine.
Okay.
I like it a little bit hotter. As you can hear, mine's a little bit louder.
Yeah.
And it's good to use your ears too when you cook. Have you ever thought about that?
I haven't, no.
Listening. You can set these up front and make room for you to cut this pineapple.
Okay.
And what I'll typically do while the bacon's cooking, I'll prep the rest of the berries or the rest of the carbs mainly. I'll rinse these, put them in the bowl as we have here, and then we're gonna cut this pineapple. Let's go right there and here. First thing I want you to do, I'll just kind of guide you through, you're gonna cut off the top, cut off the bottom, then you're gonna stand it up and carve the sides. Okay, so go ahead and start with top and bottom. Boom, nice. Cool, I like it.
Good? Yep. Now stand it.
I'll stand it up. Then you can see we got a little piece that's not, maybe is that starting to go bad a little bit right there? No.
Oh, that's not my fault.
Yeah, a little bit of rot or something going on there, but that's okay. Okay, now you're gonna peel. I'll just show you. Let me use this knife. I'll just show you here. Peeling off as little as possible. But we want this breakfast to look really nice, so just make sure to get off all these eyes, these little holes right here. Perfect. You can use those kind of as your guide. If you look over here, boom.
Yeah.
Cut right behind them.
Okay.
I'm gonna check on the bacon while you're doing that. And I'm actually gonna give it the first turn. Okay, how you doing?
Good, I think,
Getting aggressive, you cutting out. Oh, look at that big flat one. No, just kidding.
Is that bad?
Now just trim around the bottom, get the rest of those little eyes off. I'm actually gonna flip your bacon too.
That'd be great.
First time. Good job, Tasia, okay. Bacon's looking good. There is a little bit of rot, you know, where it gets brown like that. I'll take that off. I don't like messing with that. If I don't want to pop it in my mouth right now, then I get rid of it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Do you like rotten fruit?
No.
Yeah, I don't either. Good, right there. Now you're gonna use this, you're gonna cut it in half straight down that little circle. So you can cut that circle in half all the way down. Now you got a couple ways you can do it. For beginners, what I like to say is cut this in half through that circle again.
Okay.
And then you can cut it at a little bit of an angle and you get it out.
Okay.
The other way is to try to do it like this and this, but you have a higher likelihood of cutting yourself. There you go. And then that stays whole and you can like make slices like that and serve them on a... So we can actually just do that quick. Then you can, we'll slip that one out. You can present it.
Oh.
Does that look neat?
Yeah, I like that.
And what we might think about is like similar in size to maybe a raspberry when it's
So
done.
smaller.
Good. No, it's good the way it is right now. I'm covering your bacon over here.
Thank you.
And some of that's pretty much done. Do you want to start
Pull it off?
fishing it out of there?
And putting it in here. Okay.
Set it in here, the ones that you designate as done.
Okay.
Now we're gonna get ready right away to crack the eggs into this bacon fat
So I move
while
this to
it's
the front.
hot.
Okay.
You wanna do it? Just crack it in there. I just hit it here. And then
Boom.
crack it in there. Nice and easy.
Wow. Okay.
And then you wanna get the other one right next, as fast as you
Next
can,
to it?
get it in there. And so that it's touching the other ones. There you go, touch it so they kind of cook together into one piece. Here goes mine. One. Go ahead and maybe turn it down a little bit. Yeah. Now salt and pepper. So you got your salt and pepper. Start with the salt, just a little bit over the top, and then pepper. Oh, look at those nice and puffy, right?
Is that good? That's what we want?
I like it. Do you like bubbly eggs like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good.
And then we'll start assembling our plate. Okay, and then if you look at mine, what I like to make sure is that the white gets cooked, right?
I don't think I've ever cooked an egg without flipping it.
Are you gonna be okay?
No, I like it.
I call it under medium. Okay, let's
Okay.
go a little bit hotter. Okay, and then getting them out of there, what I do is I use the slotted spatula and the tongs. Away. Boom.
Oh, they look good.
So I'll start usually with the eggs. Find a good spot on the plate for those. Boom. Sabotage, did I sabotage you? You got it, Tasia.
totally
Oh, you cracked the yolk.
Don't tell
Did you
anyone.
crack the yolk? Okay. Okay.
Nobody knows.
Then what do you
on.
want to do next?
Clean it up.
Yep. On the zone diet, 1 block of bacon is 3 slices. 6 is quite a bit, isn't it? Is it a lot?
It is, but I could also
Goes
eat
fast,
6
yeah.
easy.
Yep. I'm gonna cut this avocado.
Okay.
Just knife in the middle, roll it around the pit. What do you think? Looks good?
Looks good.
And which one do you want?
I'll take this one.
Okay. Then I'll kind of place that. You've got a nice spot for it, maybe
Right
right
here.
in there. I'm gonna go red down the middle. And then I'm probably gonna put the pineapple away from the yellow egg yolks.
Yeah, that makes
Does that
sense.
make sense? Put this blue over on this side.
I think we should do a vote of whose plate's
Okay,
better.
let's do it. Are you gonna post this on your Instagram?
Definitely.
Oh, yours is looking nice. Let's
all about
be honest
look.
here. This is good. This is good.
Perfect.
Huh?
It looks good.
How's that? Are you still hungry or
I'm so
gonna crush
hungry.
this?
Yeah.
Simple, right? So let's just pay a little homage to the 800-gram challenge. E.C. Sinkowski, Optimized Me Nutrition, check that out. But the 800-gram challenge is to eat 800 grams of fruits and vegetables per day, and then you can kind of eat anything else on top of that, right? That's the basis of it. So this is a great way to incorporate that and start your day strong. A bunch of fruit. Avocado also counts in that.
Yeah.
And what else, Tasia? You're gonna make some meals.
Oh yeah,
Tasia's
some Tasia's tastings.
Up next, we're gonna do a couple versions of fried rice. Watch for those at Ice Age Meals. As always, we're here helping you eat better.
And live longer.
Eat better.
Live longer.